Welcome to our guide on bench grinder safety. Today we'll explore the crucial aspects of operating these powerful tools safely in various settings. Bench grinders are powerful tools, but with great power comes great responsibility. Improper use can lead to severe injuries, from flying debris to wheel breakage. Are you prepared to work safely with your bench grinder? Introducing the Bench Grinder Safety online course from OSHA Online Center. This course provides essential training to help you safely operate, maintain, and inspect bench grinders, reducing the risk of accidents. In this course, you'll learn how to properly use bench grinders, maintain safe distances, and avoid common hazards like wheel breakage, burns, and flying debris. Safe operation. Learn how to operate the bench grinder safely by maintaining proper posture, tool rest adjustments, and workpiece positioning. Inspection and maintenance. Discover how to inspect grinding wheels, eye shields, and other safety features before each use. Hazard prevention. Understand how to protect yourself from common hazards like sparks, noise, and flying particles. Wheel selection and replacement. Master the correct methods for selecting the right wheel and replacing worn or damaged wheels safely. With practical guidance and real-world examples, this course prepares you to use bench grinders safely, keeping both you and your co-workers protected. Once you complete the course, you'll earn an OSHA compliance certificate, proving your expertise in bench grinder safety and equipment handling. Sign up today by clicking the link in the description. Protect yourself from workplace injuries. Enroll now and master bench grinder safety.